Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the love. Getting close to 5,000 subscribers. I'm really excited and really humbled that so many of you connect with me. So many of you find my content helpful. I'm back with a video which is pretty much I think the first video when I started this channel, and a lot has changed, a lot of choices have changed, and I think I have changed for sure. So I really thought an updated video was required. I'm going to be talking about my holy grail products. I think one of the most popular videos that I enjoy watching of most of my favorite YouTubers is one of the products that they just can't do without. Like, there are certain things in your closet which you want to keep a backup of. If you know if they finish, you can't do without them. Those are basically your holy grail products. These include skincare, body care, makeup, all self-care products. My most favorite products that I can't do without. So without further ado, let me take you through this video. I'll start off with body care first, skincare, and then makeup. And some of these products that are not available in India, I'm going to be showing you the dupe options as well that are available in India. Since traveling is so difficult right now, we'll have to do with whatever is available in the country. First and foremost is the body wash that I use, guys. I am obsessed with Bath and Body Works. This aromatherapy love range, this is rose and vanilla. I literally can't do without Bath and Body Works. All my body washes and body mists are from Bath and Body Works, so this is something is my number one holy grail. Every scent of it, I just love it. So I always stock this up. I always have options. I have like 5 of these lying in my cupboard. Whenever there's sale time, firstly they do have amazing sale options. I always stock up these, and as soon as one finishes, I'm like on to my next. So my first holy grail product is a Bath and Body Works body wash. You have to have these, guys. If you've not used them yet, what are you guys doing? Try them out. Nothing compares to this. Please buy them on sale time. It'll really save you money, and you'll get some really good quality products, and they really go a long way. There's a lot of product in it. The second one has become my holy grail in the last 2 years is a shampoo that I use. I use the Moroccan Oil shampoo, guys. I'm obsessed with this shampoo now. I don't think I can do without it. This is my most important hair care products. I have been using the smooth one, but since I've been getting a lot of hair loss, I've recently ordered the repair one as well. All of them are nice. There's a hydrating one also. I'll move on to my favorite perfume. I can't do without, guys. You guys already know this from my perfume collection video, but this is the Chanel Chance. This is pretty much my holy grail perfume, and every time it reaches this line, I'm like, I have to order the next one. This is something I've used for the past like 6-7 years now, and you get connected to a scent and it becomes like part of you. This is like that for me. Absolutely love it and can't do without it. So this is my third favorite product. I'll move on to skincare now, guys. I had been a Clarins fan since forever. You guys know it. Skincare has been my baby since a while now. But the most important change in my skincare routine has been the Clinique Moisture Surge, and since the time I've been introduced to this product, I cannot go back to any other product. Pretty much the best moisturizer out there. So this is definitely part of my holy grail routine. The next is a face oil, guys. Unfortunately, the face oil that is my holy grail is not available in India. Absolute favorite face oil, guys, in my skincare routine. This is the Moroccan Argan Oil from The Ordinary. I swear by this. Again, it's been more than 2 years. I literally love it and I live on it and I load my skin with it. I'm currently also, I've put a lot of it. There's hardly any BB cream on my face, but there's a lot of face oil on my face. Especially for dry skin girls, you have to have a face oil that is always there in your regime. Well, unfortunately, Ordinary is not available in India. A lot of you girls ask me. There are some resellers, some Instagram pages that sell this, but originally from The Ordinary, you can't really get it delivered in India. I used to stock it up when I used to travel. Now how I get it is you can either order it from Cult Beauty, but they charge a really high duty, guys. That is a disclaimer. Buy something worth 2,000 more, you'll have to pay basically 50% of your total amount is what you'll have to pay as customs duty. The other way how I get it is my sister-in-law stays in Dubai, so I usually order it from there. Obviously it's not the cheapest in Dubai. US and UK you would get this for 500-600 bucks. But I think in Dubai I get it for like $1,000. But since this is a holy grail and I can't do without, I try and source it as much as possible. Absolutely love it. If you're in India and you can't get your hands on it, I have been loving the Pahadi local Gutti Ka Tel. This has been such a good oil as well. It has really worked wonders on my skin as well. I really like it. I love the way it feels on my skin. I basically alternate between this and this. I think it works wonders. So in case you can't get your hands on the ordinary American argan oil as a face oil, get your hands on this Pahari local oil. You'll love it. The next priming product that has been my holy grail. Even 2 years back I had recommended the same product. Now if a product repeats itself in a video, you know it's a great product and it's like a no-brainer. You gotta get it, and that is the MAC Strobe Cream. I really can't do without it. I can't put any base product without mixing a little bit of the strobe cream in it. It gives a very natural finish to your makeup. So the strobe cream has always been and still is my must-have makeup product. I'm in the shade Pink Light and I highly recommend the strobe cream, guys. It's amazing for a nice dewy. If you like natural dewy simple makeup like mine, all of these products really help. A nice face oil, this mixed with the foundation really helps. I'll move on to again a product that I'm again repeating after 2 years of making this video. The lip balm, guys. I use the Vaseline Rose Lip. I've tried so many lip balms trying to find a dupe of it in India. I've tried Bird Bees, but it's so drying. I mean, it's not as soft and as smooth as the Vaseline. So this is definitely a holy grail lip balm for me. I think in India on Amazon and a lot of these websites, they have other flavors of it. I think the aloe vera one is available on Amazon, guys. You can check it out. Whatever I'll find, I'll obviously link all of these products down below wherever they are available. Moving on to the mascara, guys. Again, a holy grail is this Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Any of Benefit mascaras, guys, if you get your hands on them, they're absolutely amazing. I'm right now wearing it. In fact, I wore really little of it, so I'll just show you guys this mascara and its magic. Just check this out. I mean, it elongates your lashes. It just transforms your lashes. Can you see, guys? It's really a must-have. It's expensive, but it's really worth it. Next on, of course, is a concealer that is a holy grail. No brainer again. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Nothing compares to it. I feel what this gives, the finish this gives, nothing gives, guys. You can actually just wear this and not wear a foundation and you're still good to go. It's that good. So this is a holy grail and a must-have, and I always have a backup of it. And the good part is it's so bloody affordable. So that is literally the best part of it. Next is, guys, the lip color that I've literally been obsessed with. Besides my Velvet Teddy, the lip color that I have been loving completely is the Revlon Ultra HD Ultra Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Seduction. A lot of girls have asked me this, and I actually went to a Revlon counter to find out the shade because this shade was literally like all washed out. The shade Seduction in Revlon. This is the Ultra Matte lipstick. Beautiful lipstick, guys. I'll try it on in front of you guys on my lipstick because I think it will show. Yeah, it's such a beautiful nude. Guys, it has the perfect creamy texture and it really looks very nice. Your lips feel really hydrated when you use this product. It lasted me a very long time. I've been using this for so long and it was literally a random buy and it has become a favorite. It has actually broken my record of using Velvet Teddy because the past few months I've only worn this lipstick. Another holy grail that I will add to this, which is a highly essential product that I've added now to my makeup routine, is a lip liner, guys. I had no clue how important was a lip liner till I started. I randomly ordered the K Beauty lip liner in one of my hauls, you guys must have seen, and since the time I started using this lip liner, I'm in love because, guys, it really defines your lips so well. So this is actually my next holy grail product, is a lip liner. It can be anything for me. Right now it is the K Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade Unleash. It's like the perfect pinkish, a little darkish pinkish nude color, and I use it on my lips and it makes my lip color last very long and my lips look very well defined, and it's the perfect ombre-ish effect that it gives. You must have a lip liner and add it to your makeup routine. It makes hell lot of a difference when you use a nice lip liner on your lips. So if you like nude lips like me, get a nice lip liner, get this lipstick and you're sorted. I actually just shot a video, which is why I'm very tinty right now, because I tried out some tints out and compared them in that video. It's my next holy grail is a good tint, guys. While my absolute favorite is the NARS Orgasm, but it's not available in India. It's like the perfect glowy pink. My dupe to my NARS is these two tints that I highly recommend, and you must have any of these one tint that sorts you out. So here I'm wearing the Benetint, and here I'm wearing the Face Shop water tint in rose pink. I'm absolutely loving this flushed look. It's such a natural. If you love natural makeup and you like this natural glowy look on your face, get a nice tint and you're sorted. The Face Shop one is super affordable, so get a nice tint. Definite holy grail when I don't have space in my clutch. The 2-3 products that I would always put in my clutch is gonna be the Benefit mascara, the Age Rewind concealer, a tint, and a beautiful lip color. That's pretty much, these 4 products can easily sort me out if I have getting late and I have to just get ready in the car and I don't have space to carry my makeup bag. These 4 products really will sort me out. So these are my holy grail products. Absolutely love them. And that brings me to the end of this video, guys. I wanted to go really quick. I don't want this video to be too long. For all of these products, I can say that I've used multiple bottles of. Only then I'm calling them my holy grail product. There's actually not a single product in this that I've only used once and I've only finished 1 bottle. All of them are, I think, on my 4th or 5th bottle. So that's why I highly recommend them and I'm really happy. I think the only product I'm new to is this tint. Otherwise, everything else I've used multiple times and I love. So I highly recommend all of these products. Do check them out. I will link everything down below for you guys to see. Please do let me know how you like this video, and let me know if you have any other video requests, guys. I'll be happy to do them, and please let me know what kind of videos you want to watch. While I do a lot of these beauty kind of videos, I do show you guys a lot of hauls, but are there any other kind of videos would you like to see? Do you want to see a day in my life, or do you want to see what I eat in a day again, or anything else? Just let me know, guys. I want me to take you around Delhi. I could do that as well. So let me know the kind of videos you guys want to see and I'll be happy to do them. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support, and please do subscribe to my channel for those of you who have just watched the video and not subscribed. That really helps me and motivates me for sure to create more content. And guys, you have to follow me and connect with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Vritti Malhotra 23. I'm really active on my Instagram, guys, so you guys need to connect with me there. I really post some interesting reels there as well, so please connect me on my Instagram as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.